It's not Bangladesh. They will jump from the road. Okay. No, it's not. It's not a joke. What I'm saying is like seriously.
No,
When I teach people from Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, that oh moment doesn't happen in the UK. Okay, not so often. Being a nice person is good, but too nice is a problematic. Too much sweets, give you diabetes. So where do you apply the brake in here?
I thought maybe he had. The thing is, I know it's my priority, but
So if you know your priority, why do you stop?
the thing is my priority because I'm on the main road.
Yeah, so the person who knows from the behind that you have a priority to go, they will think, why you're not moving?
No.
So they will now encourage to overtake even if it's not safe. Okay? But there are some idiots who jump front of you. Yeah? Who just run front of you. We need to stop them as well. We can't really kill them. I hope these sessions come helpful to you as well.
Yeah, obviously it's very helpful. The thing is, I want to take your lesson before, but you're a very busy man. That's the problem.
Well, that's the thing, because it's Alhamdulillah, I'm doing good. I'm teaching
I'm
well.
happy, yeah.
Yeah, and that's why people want more and more lessons. So you need to book in advance. So let's see how's your experience on the main road now. Okay?
Okay, let's go for it. I'm happy that you're driving on the road.
Well, that's what I mean. We start at the very basic, but we come very, very quickly in the advanced level because you got the skills to do so.
Thank you, yeah. But to be honest, like I didn't know about this mirror thing till you told me, you know.
At the end of the road, turn left, please.
I think I have given it a bit too early.
Yeah, see? Now you can see your own mistake by yourself.
Yeah. And it's just like sometimes instinct, you know, just make you do it quickly.
But that's the thing where you need to come out of. And
Yeah.
it'll happen with the practice. Yeah?
Yeah,
More
okay,
practice
I
you
agree.
do, the better you're going to get. Just wait. Keep waiting until they're finishing the both feet on the pavement. There you go. Now go. Move to right turn lane. Keep going. Behind the van and continue going straight. And next traffic light, turn right.
Can I ask you something?
Go.
How do you understand whether it's a 20 speed limit, like over here on the road? How much is the speed limit, for example, for this one?
So how do you know what's the speed limit? It's a 20 mile per hour. You need to see by the sign. So when there's a sign that says 20 mile per hour, only then you know it's a 20. Keep going. You're too slow. Why you keep looking at all around?
I'm just looking for the pedestrian, you know, hazard.
If they will become in the middle. If enough space, go. Enough space. Don't just stop for everything.
Sorry.
When you put space, you carry on going.
Alright.
It's not Bangladesh. They will jump from the road. Okay. Okay. So you need to come up from that driving habit.
No, don't worry. Now I'll drive better.
No, it's not. It's not a joke. What I'm saying is like seriously. When I teach people from Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, that oh moment doesn't happen in the UK. Okay, not so often.
The thing is, uncle, like I grew up in Italy, right? I took a lesson there for the 50cc car. The thing is, when I went to Bangladesh and I started driving over there, I started forgetting everything. Like, you know, the way they drive, it's reckless.
And themselves, they believe they can drive in anywhere in the world. And they're the best drivers.
I met someone from Saudi. He said if you can drive in Dhaka, you can drive anywhere in the world.
No.
It's like, no, that's not true at all.
That's not true. You freak out in here. But easier to drive in here and then you can do the Dhaka.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, definitely. Because here you drive safe and you know what's gonna happen beforehand, but in Dhaka you never know.
But the problem is people just crash into you like the bus is gonna crash into another
Yeah, another one, yeah.
intentionally, and that's the thing where you cannot avoid.
Makes
When
sense.
someone wants to come and hit into you, go.
I'm letting him go so that he doesn't create an obstruction for me. Yeah.
What you need to understand,
Yes.
having sweets is nice, yeah?
Yeah.
But having too much sweet is a problematic. It will give you diabetes.
No, obviously. Yeah.
Being a nice person is good, but too nice is a problematic. Do you agree with me?
Yes, uncle.
Okay. What you're trying to do at the moment now, you're treating every single people as like a hazard. Every single people you want to be nice to. Every single people you want to give priority to. This is what causing you now fail.
Makes sense.
So nice, good, but too nice is a problem.
Okay.
Sweets, good. Too much sweets, give you diabetes. Are you with me what I'm trying to say?
Yes, I understand.
So this is what you're trying to do at the moment. Oh, okay. Who's got the priority in here?
Myself.
So where do you apply the brake in here?
I thought maybe he had. I think I know it's my priority, but.
So if you know your priority, why do you stop? So they know they have to give you priority, that's what they're stopping. You're not sure whether you need to go or not, that's why you're stopping. So who's going to go?
The thing is my priority because I'm on the main road.
Yeah, so the person who knows from the behind that you have a priority to go, they will think, why you're not moving?
No.
So they will now encourage to overtake even if it's not safe. Okay? But there are some idiots who jump front of you. Yeah? Who just run front of you. We need to stop them as well. We can't really kill them. Am I making sense what I'm trying to
Yeah.
get the scenes out of you?
Yes, obviously.
Okay.
Yeah.
Off we go. Okay, now let's overtake the cyclist. Check your mirror, move to right hand side. Keep going, no need for indications. Continue going to 20. Move on a bit more.
Yeah.
Speed up to 20. There we go.
So when there is a cyclist, you need to give plenty of room to them.
That's why you're giving it. So but you're not moving. They're getting the same speed as them. So who's overtaking who?
Yeah.
You overtaking them or cyclists overtaking you?
And I need to overtaking them. So.
Keep going. Okay.
Yeah, because
It's fine. It's fine. No need for indication. People think you're turning right now in the junction.
Okay.
There.
When I was doing my theory, it says on theory there's a question that says if there's a bus in front of you, how you're gonna overtake it, you know? So it says that putting indicator and see if there's a pedestrian.
Yeah, but then it's junction on the right hand side. So in that case, when you come out, check mirrors and come out and do the turning.
Okay, in that case you don't have to do it.
Keep left. Okay. But after the bus, yeah. There are too many buses today, though.
Yeah.
Take a left at the traffic light.
So left on this one, right?
Indicate. Where's the indicator?
The thing is, when I'm turning left, that's my light, right? So obviously when I'm in this lane, still I have to put the indicator on.
5 cars before.
No, that's true. Yeah.
What's the speed limit?
Is it 20?
30.
30. Okay. So you cannot go more than 30 in here, right?
No. You guys overtaking, let them to go. Keep going, you don't have to slow down, just be aware of them, yeah?
Yeah.
Keep right.
Keep right.
Continue going, and now move to left hand lane. Yes. Middle lane, good, and continue going straight. At this roundabout, take a left, first exit. Mirror check was in, again, wasn't in a good timing. Have a look, can we go?
No.
We could have, but not now.
Yeah.
At this roundabout, straighten, second exit. Okay, you're on wrong lane for going straight on. Go right, go right, go right, go right, third exit. Indicate right. Go, go, go right, go right. All right, turning.
And then come back and do the...
That's fine. Come on now. Come on.
On this one?
Yeah, that's the right third exit.
Third exit. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry about that.
What?
I think I'm making a mistake on the junction.
It's okay, but that's how we're gonna training you. Alright? I'm getting your brain to register things, okay?
Yep.
Take your left, first exit. Okay. When you experience this harsh braking, if you do, the person behind gonna come very close to you, in case they even can hit into you.
Yeah.
Go, go.
I thought switch.
Okay, take a left, first exit. More turning, keep going. Keep the car flow. Don't look for every single excuse to stop.
Yeah.
Keep the car in flow. Turn a bit too close to the curb, come out. In a moment, we're going to take a next road on the left. Slowly. How sharp bend it is? How sharp bend was?
Yeah, it was very sharp.
So where are you going?
Yep.
At the sharp bends, have a look far ahead and don't go too fast. Slow down early because you never know what's coming from the opposite directions.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what would happen at this junction if I didn't hold the steering wheel?
There are a possibility to crash.
Exactly. Will they gonna get passed for this?
No.
Easy fail. Make sense?
Yeah.
Still slow. If they're waiting, fine. Slow. There you go. You maintain your speed. Don't speed up just because someone's waiting.
Okay.
You're not tired?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Nah.
Why?
Because I woke up late. So.
Do you know if 2 hours enough for you?
I think, yeah.
How come you're not tired?
I think because I'm learning, when you're learning something, So, yeah.
You went quick?
Yeah, that's true.